Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome to anybody who's newly subscribed, and always an extra special thank you to everybody who continues to watch my videos. I know this has been a little bit sporadic, but things have been really busy. We're in the process of getting our house ready to sell, so we just have a lot going on right now, and making videos honestly has kind of been on the back burner just because of everything that's going on in our household. But anyway, today I did want to come here and share with you a swap that I received. So I participated in a swap from Beck's Craft Designs. You can find her here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link the video to the to Beck's Craft Designs, in which she assigned partners, so you can go ahead and see everybody who made this project. So we were assigned partners, and it was to make a gate portfolio box we had like a trick or treat, sequence mix, die cuts, embellishments, memory decks or ATC card, and 3 tags, a welcome card, and then shakers as well. So this is what I received, and my partner is Pretty B30. I will go ahead and link her as well, but I did want to just show you what she had sent me. I'm still in the process of making mine for my partner. I finished the book itself, so now I'm just in the process of putting the pages on, or actually the framing, and then gonna sew and put my paper on and everything, but I'll show you as I'm going along. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and show you this, and this is, I'm so excited. It's been sitting just for a few days, just because, again, of our move or getting things ready. I just haven't had time to be able to really get to this, but I wanted to get to it today. So look at this really cool box. I'm so excited. I cut this out. This just has our information, so I wanted to cut that out. But look at this amazing box. I love the way that she decorated this box, and you hear all this stuff in here. So we are going to open this together because I have not opened it. I did open the box top just because I didn't want to open that on camera. But we're going to put that, let me see if I can put this here on the side. Move my box out of the way. And then, so as I'm going, I will go ahead and share what I have. All right, first, oh, this must be her card. Look at this. It says Happy Halloween. And it just has a little, oh, she made this, yes, the card. I'll put it here. It says, hello friend, I hope you like what I've sent. I did not, send chocolate. It says it's too hot here in Texas. Here in Arizona too, we've hit, like, for the past month, 110 to 117 degrees. Yes, melt. I'm not doing chocolates either. So I am really excited to go ahead and open this. Thank you for that wonderful note. And look at this cute card. I love this. This is Ghostly Greetings. And I'm going to put her up here so she can have her in mind here. And I have to just, so you can get a little, I don't know if you can get a really good, look at, there's a lot of this. I love the shred. Okay, here's her box, so we'll leave that for the end. Oh, wonderful. Okay, so we're going to take out this. We'll put this over here. And then we'll open the rest of this stuff. All this wonderful shred. Oh, look how cute this stuff is. Okay. So we'll put this stuff here. And oh my gosh, I love all this. Look at this. I love all this packaging. So cute. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's adorable. And then it's just oh, this came out of here. Oh, very cool. So here's a lot of goodies here, which we'll start with this. All right. So this must be her shaker. Oh, this is amazing. Look at her shaker card. This is awesome. As again, it says Ghostly Greetings. Look at that little ghost. I love all that shaker mix she has in there. That is fun. Oh, this is such a neat card. I'm definitely going to use that. And then some stickers. We had to send some extra goodies Look at this, like a trick or treat type of thing. Oh, I love all these stickers. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are going to be great with what I'm using. Oh, those are really cool. Look at those little ghosts. They're like felt ghosts. And then she packaged them in here, which is a really cool idea. I can actually reuse this too. You know, as crafters always like to reuse things. So thank you so much. And then look at all this good stuff in here. Oh, this is such a cute little felt bag. Ooh, look at all these stickers. Very cute. There's some bats, pumpkins, kitties. Oh, those are super cute. I love it. Thank you. I love it, love it. I like these Halloween colors because I don't have a lot of these colors either. Like some of the traditional I do, but they're more like spooky type of things. I don't have like any fun stuff, like cute. Except for that I'm using actually the Luna collection, so those are kind of cute. Ooh, and look at the sweet treats. My kids are going to love these because they love sweet tarts and like Smartie type of candies. So they are going to love these. We are going to love these. And look at this cute little bag she put them in. And here's some more good stuff. Oh, look at that little bag. Love your presentation. All these bags and stuff are really awesome. Oh, here's our die cuts. What? Oh my gosh, look at this. Talk about I would never thought about this. This is beautiful. Look at these. Oh my word, look at all those layers. Oh, and the sewing, the stitching here. These are adorable. Thank you so much. Oh, I love these. Adorable. Love those. Look at those. Those are fun. Like little tabs. Oh, this is so cute. Happy Halloween. Good little bag toppers. I'm going to have to use some of these actually in my swap that I'm making too. That I have to send to my partner. These are, look at how beautiful. That is so stinking cute. I love that. Thank you. Okay. That's good stuff. Oh my gosh, look at these. I remember these when I was a kid. On Instagram, they have like the reels. I've been looking at all the 80s things because I'm an 80s kid. And these are one of them. Oh my gosh, this brings back so many good memories. Like we used to drink the, you know, the juice inside, or the sugar, I guess, but then eat and chew on the wax. Oh my gosh, that is definitely a treat. Oh, that brings back so many good memories. Oh, extreme sour again. Like we love these. My kids are going to go haywire over those. Thank you so much. And then a lot of really fun shred. Oh, thank you so much. These really made me smile. Okay. And then we're going to get to the good stuff. The better good stuff, if that's even a word. Oh, look at this. Is nicely packaged. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Here we go. Thank you for packaging it up so well, just because I do appreciate that. I know these things can get bumped around in the mail. So, alright. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my word, look at this. Let's put this aside right down here. Okay, friends, let's get into this. This is amazing. Look at this paper. It's so stinking cute. Look at her spine here. It says spooky. Oh, and then she has like this little like tassel like guy here with this little boot, the witch's boot with a hat, and this little purple bow. Oh, this is gorgeous. And then this is trick or treat. And then look at the back here. So cute. Oh, this is such a great, oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, here we go. Okay, oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, so I'm going to send the video to, of how we, who we followed. It was Crafty, or Cutesy Shelf, and she put out the video that we actually went along with to create our boxes. And hers turned out, I love these colors, so pretty. So look at this. So we had like this tab here. It looks like she used the magnet in here, so this is magnetized. And look at this. Oh my gosh. It says add a little hocus pocus. Look at this little bat here. Oh my word. And this little apple here. I think this is a KS Craft guy, because I think I have this one. Look at this little mummy. Oh my gosh. Let's see. I want you to be able to see all this goodness, because look at, there's this little bat. And then like a little grumpy old cat here. And it says, you got me under your spell. Oh, this is a cute little, I like that die cut. And these spiders. These would be great for little pictures. Best witches. Very adorable. Oh, I love the way that you did decorated actually the backs of those two. Ooh, that's a really, ooh, I like that paper. That's a cool die. And like a little Frankenstein, like she paper pieced those. So stinking cute. This is, I love stuff like this. Like these kind of projects challenge me as well, but I love in the end, like all of your hard work really shows. And look at these little embellishments. Oh my gosh, look at those. Beware and candy. And the little pockets. And this is Happy Halloween. Oh, look at the little tape. So cute. And these little kids here. Oh, look, it's spooky. The, what are these? The bottles. Beware, keep out haunted. Not so scary. Those little ghosts. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so we'll start. Let's do this first. And look at this little guys, little skeletons coming out of the door. So cute. And then here is this side here. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, oh my gosh, you did there, these little bag toppers. Oh my gosh. I don't want to take them out because I want you to. So these are some bag toppers. It says boo. Oh my gosh, look at this little truck. Oh, and these, the wax melts. So cute. There's like a pumpkin. I gotta take one of these out so you can see them. These are super cool. So if you see those, these are gonna be fun. Oh my gosh, and look at these. Oh, these are adorable. And here's this. There's trick or treat on it. Looks like a little cotton candy. This is so cute. I'm going to show you these as well. Look at, oh, look at these. Look at that layering. Oh, these are beautiful. Look, a little witch on her broom. So adorable. Oh my gosh. I love receiving these, but then I get all nervous like, oh, I hope mine is just as good as this one. So look at these. Oh my gosh, look at this little cauldron. Oh, on the memory decks card. I love it. And look at this. Just, oh, he did such a great job. Oh, yes. Look at this sequence mix. It says spooky happy hauntings. We had to make a sequence mix. Look at this, is adorable. And this will actually go perfect with what I'm making right now. But I love this little mix. So pretty. Thank you so much. And this is October 31st. Oh, and there's some rub-on stickers. His ghouls just want to have fun. Happy Halloween. I'm here for the booze. I'll have to give that to somebody to make a little cup for them. So look at this little flap here. This is all magnetized. Has a little magnet. And this is, I forgot what they call it. It's like a twist out type of card. And she did that perfectly. Look at this. You open it like this. And you get this little cute surprise here. Oh, this is amazing. And it's just a little magnetized. I actually ordered some of those little tiny magnets off of Amazon. Oh my gosh. I am like so super excited about all this stuff. And this is a little box. Let's see what she has in here. Oh, these are, oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. Look at these little, look at this little trim. There's a little bat trim. And then here's some of, look at the spider trim. I've never seen this. Let me pull this really quick. Look at this spider trim. That is super cool. I don't think I've ever seen this. I don't know where that came from. That is super neat. What? Look at this. Wow. This is the coolest idea. I've never seen this before. So using your straws that you have, and she made a bat. And then you can see in the back, she cut out like the template and glued that on there. That is super cool. And then here's some of this other like little bat trim here. And some ribbon. Oh, look, I love these colors. Again, I love these little traditional colors. We'll put this to the side here. So I am just so blown away. This is amazing. Look at these tags. Oh, these are beautiful. Look at the eyelash trim. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this one. Let's get some of this here. It says cotton candy, and the little, it says boo. Did you make this one? This is really kind of cool. It almost reminds me of like a Cricut. It has like vinyl on it. That's actually really neat. This is beautiful. Everything here is just gorgeous. And then it just all folds up so nicely. I'm going to take this out here to put this back. I love that everything here is amazing. And then you just fold it in here. Actually, this goes here. Fold this here. This goes here. And it nicely just all fits in here. Beautiful, beautiful. Blanca, so much. Thank you. I am just like in awe. Thank you for everything that you sent. It is beautiful. I just love everything. I love just the work that you put into this, just the craftsmanship. And I know how long, how much time it took to do this, because it's taken me a few hours even just to do just the foundation of my gable box. So I know how much time that you put into this, and the heart that you put in. Everything that you did is wonderful and amazing. So thank you so, so much. Again, please go check her out. I will also link her channel below so that you can go and see it. So it is Pretty Bee 30. Again, her name is Blanca. So Blanca, thank you again. And thank you everybody for watching this video, and go and visit Blanca. We'll talk to you later. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.